Hey yo, it's my voice, but before the fix. Hey yo, it's my voice, but after the fix. Hey everybody, in today's video, we're gonna figure out why Discord makes your microphone sound bad. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to go open up Discord and head into your settings, specifically your voice and video settings. You can find the settings in the bottom left, right here. Now, you can see that my microphone is the HyperX Quadcast S, but yours could be whatever. Make sure it's the correct microphone, or else it also might not sound as good. Now, to fix your microphone, you need to scroll down right in this section until you find Advanced. Then, you should see something right here that says Voice Processing and Echo Cancellation. What this does is, well, it cancels echoes, but it doesn't really work that well, and it makes your microphone sound trash. Now, turn it off and try talking to your friends again, or you can use your mic test right here. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!